Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys phone double option setting. How to use double option setting in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile phone developer options. So how to use double option one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, how to turn on developer option in Redmi mobile. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, open your phone additional setting. After additional setting friends, you cannot use double option setting. So how to turn on double option, and friends after you get double option will show here. First of all friends, open your phone about phone setting. After this about phone setting friends, you can check MIUI version setting. So friends, click here all setting, and friends you can check RAM, and friends you can check your phone model name here, based main number, and friends you can see calendar version you can check from here. Friends, you can see MIUI version setting, tap here 1 2 3 4 5 6, one more tap. You are now a developer. Friends, come back. Now friends, open your phone additional setting. After additional setting is last, you can use developer option. Developer option setting will show here. Click here, and friends you can use Redmi mobile developer option setting. Friends, there are many settings in developer option. So friends, you can developer option setting and you can use on your Redmi mobile. So friends, you can see automatic system update setting here. You want to use friends, you can see demo mode. So you can on demo mode you can use. And friends, if you off developer option, after click here back button, press developer option will remove from here. Back again, click here additional setting. After additional setting, friends you cannot use developer option. Developer option will remove from here. So like that friends, we can use developer setting in Redmi mobile. Again friends, you want to on, so open your phone setting, about phone setting, and friends tap here 7 times. MIUI version 1 2 3 4 5 6, one more tap, and friends you can use developer option setting in your Redmi mobile. Again friends, click here additional setting, and friends you can use developer option, and if you off developer option, come back, friends developer option will remove from here. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.